What's up, everybody? I don't know if this is starting a new video or whatever, so I'll start off with the it's a new video. So we left off with let's see, we did the pressure line for the turbo, got the vacuum lines on, and I think we put the return hose on. Okay, so got some packages in. We'll be checking that out in a little while. And then work on the tank, get that cleaned up, ready to weld. I'll flip this around. So my buddy Steve came through with the radiator. I'll be running the CX Racing 3-core. It's 2.5 inches thick, 1 1/4 inches in and out. The radiator that I ordered is 8 weeks back order, so I hit up Steve. He'll let me use this for mock-up. Bought some cut-off wheels because I'm going to start doing weight cutting. I'm going to tear the crap out of it. What else? Got some flappy discs to do the tank. And fix the sharp edges on the inside of the car. Alright, let's get started. Oh yeah, Gavin's going to help me. Look at that. Show you guys a little trick. Spray a little bit in it. Take your finger, wipe it around. Put the hose on. Time for Christmas. So, we got the it's not a Y, but it's a, what do they call it, a Union Y1 touch fitting. 1/4 inch for the vacuum lines for the boost controller. Got the heat shield for the boost controller lines. Got some wiring from Motec. Got all the wiring that I need. Striped, solid. Got all of it. Pretty nice. They sell these in what is it, 10-foot lengths? 5 or 10 foot. Anyways, it's the cheapest I could find because they usually want to sell you like 50 feet of wire, and it ends up being $30 for each color of wire that you need, and there's probably 12 different colors. Yellow, white, yellow, black, yellow, red, red, white, red, yellow. There's all kinds of stuff. So shout out to Motec, thank you. Let's see, got the sticker from Race Spec Online. Got all the connectors I need. This is the Honda kit. Comes with all, well, I didn't get the kit, I just pieced it out because I'm not going to be running some of the connectors. I don't need the fuel injector connectors because that'll come with the ID injectors. Let's see, that's about it. Alright, let's get working. Alright, the boost controller is ran, plumbed. I gotta figure out some kind of mounting situation for this. I'm gonna get the isolators I ordered, they're on back order, so I'll have these separated and isolated like spark plug wires. Got them ran down here, all teed up. So these wires are going to be ran together, and I got these style connectors. Can't remember if they're Dooch or I don't know, but pretty good quality. Sealed connectors. Looks like they're gold coated too. That's good. So I'll have 2 of those connectors on here. I don't know how they're going to be wired up. I got to talk with Joe to see if it's a switched power or if it's controlled by the PCM or the ECM and the ground side. So gotta figure that out. Let's see. Got the radiator installed. I don't have the top mount for it, so I gotta try and look for it. I don't know if it's rusted up or not. I might get an aftermarket one. Got the hoses ran. I didn't cut this one because I don't know how the length is gonna be on it. Got them all on there. Put some schlube on there so they're easy to install. Let's see, so after I get the tank stomped, get the fuel system ran, and I can get on the wiring. So the engine bay will almost be complete. Got some, I'm gonna try this out. I got some solder, brazing solder. See if I can weld up the aluminum piping. I don't know. Figured I might try it. Something's missing from this image. Guess what it is? Got my Ohio State flag back there on the door. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time.